Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 14 December 2018's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 53.5 points down move and US markets have done quite mixed for itself. 70 points up on Dow Jones, Nasdaq down by 27 points, S&P down by 0.53 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in red in today's pre-open session. Let's see what Indian markets have to offer in today's session. So the Indian markets had a quite mixed day yesterday. There was an up move in the beginning and afterwards it came down and it settled around the levels of 10,800. Remember, 10,800 was a strong resistance which I told you yesterday, and 10,800 is held as a resistance yet again, and 10,881 is a very strong resistance for the market. If 10,800 is breached, 10,884, 10,900, 10,926, 10,945 are very strong resistances for Indian markets. And supports, what are the supports? The first level of support comes at 10,750, 10,707, 10,743 and 10,673, 10,584, 10,563, and below that we'll have to consider 10,500 and 10,472 are very strong supports for Indian markets. Fast stochastic and slow stochastic says that we still have a lot of up move in the market yet remaining because we are not in the overbought zone as of now. MACD also shows that we are probably hitting a good momentum in the market. We may go up in today's session or upcoming sessions, so to say. So that's the technical analysis for you. If you want this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You will be taken to the link where I teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. This is a workshop happening tomorrow and day after tomorrow in 91 Springboard Residency Road, and go to webinar online. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.